This lends to your title that I've seen on LinkedIn. Technology
Yes.
is never the starting point.
Yes.
Tell us more about that.
Well, it's very related, right? Because why does IT exist? To create business value, right? Same answer. Everything else is a consequence. But the important thing is IT has to create business value. So when you start thinking it this way, you come to the natural conclusion that technology is not the starting point. And why do so many initiatives fail? Why around 2/3 of all IT projects fail, according to McKinsey? Why? Because technology was not the starting point. They focus on the technology instead of saying, hey, what I want to solve? What does this business need? Does it need a new software or needs me to review and understand all the business processes and help them that way? Maybe they don't need a new software. Maybe they don't need a new ERP. Maybe they just need a process optimization. But many times, and we are all guilty, right? We just embark on a massive project without thinking about that. Yeah, the new ERP brand X is great. It worked for somebody, for my friend, for that company. But what's great for your friend and his company doesn't have to be great for you. Could be a huge mistake. So learn the business, understand how we can create value, understand what the business needs, and then we make the decision, not the other way.